Who was that for?
United 163.
Sirius 931 Charlie Tango, Westchester Tower, enter midfield right downwind, runway 34.
United 289, slow to your final orders.
Setter 82 is up and ready.
Setter 82, Westchester Tower, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2418, ready, runway 4.
Southwest 2418, turn right heading 080, runway 5.
Got stepped on, say it again.
Southwest 2418, turn right heading 080, runway 5, clear for takeoff.
Turn right heading 080, runway 5, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2418.
Number 821, resume on navigation.
821 resume out. Oh, navigation.
Number 821, VFR altitude to your discretion.
November 821 review for altitude and discretion.
There's 1 Charlie Tango, start slowing. 1 Charlie Tango, affirmative, start slowing.
5766, pass center radar contact, maintain level 210.
Okay, level 205.
United 163, descend and maintain, flight level 240.
240, United 163.
Lufthansa 416, descend and maintain, flight level 360. Fokker 691, cleared direct Sea-Dog.
Clear direct Sea-Dog, Walker 691.
Jet Setter 82, contact near departure.
Setter 82, see ya.
Fokker 5725, hold short, runway 4 left at Foxtrot, contact ground point,
I'll check for 1155.
Fokker 2475, I got jet traffic 5 in trail, keep your speed up as long as possible, runway 4 right, clear line.
4 right, clear down, 1475, we'll keep the speed.
United 289 heavy, reduce your speed as much as practical. You got traffic 5 miles in front of you. Your number 2, runway 4, right, clear line.
Roger, through runway 4, I clear the great run.
runway 34.
District 5016, Westchester Tower, when able, can you advise if you're picking up the DME? Runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 34, negative DME.
Lufthansa 416, go ahead.
Thank you.
Lufthansa 416, descend and maintain the flight level 360.
Descend and maintain 360 Lufthansa 416.
Aragon 37, Westchester Tower, best forward speed as long as practical, please. Right base, runway 34. Number 2, follow regional jet, 4 mile final. Runway 34, clear to land.
Alright, South Sky set us down. We will pick it up. We've got big traffic at about 5 incident number 2.
Number 931 Charlie Tango number 3, following Pilatus on a 5-mile base over the shore. Runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 3, 1 Charlie Tango, number 3.
Boston Center, left west, ATC, on the ground street.
Southwest 968, Boston Center, you're cleared to the Niagara Airport via Syracuse to departure as filed. Maintain 4,000, squawk 1435.
With Niagara via Syracuse to departure, then it's about 4,000 initially, and squawk 1435.
Southwest 968, read back correct. Winds are calm, survive this one when you like. There's 691, cross Sea-Dog at maintain 11,000, Portland altimeter 3011.
Cross Sea-Dog at and maintain 11,000, altimeter 3011, Walker 611.
Southwest 2418, you got us yet? We're 4,080.
Southwest 2418, radar contact.
There's 1 Charlie Tango, the Pilatus you're following, showing a 4-mile final
Turn
now.
right direct jumper 10,000, Southwest 2418.
Lufthansa 416, Immersion Base, New York Center offline, radar service terminated.
Because the change the
And
course.
Aragon
Thank you,
37, we lost the
Lufthansa
guy in front of
416,
us. Spacing good.
Sorry, say again?
We lost the guy in front of us. Is the spacing good?
Grand 37, they're touching down now. The spacing's good. Runway 34, clear to land.
Good to that, thanks. Second 37.
Number 2475, hold short, runway 4 left at Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Short 4 left on Charlie, ground point.
Blue Streak 5016, turn right at Bravo, contact ground.
Bravo ground, Blue 50.
United 651.
Yeah, we're slightly like on the edge, and I don't think it's covering the space here. I do see it kind of like water, but guess pick this
Cessna
up.
5114 Zulu, Westchester Tower, hold short to runway 34,
We're
traffic
probably
land.
cleared, man. Probably a little bit out of here.
Copy 10,000 direct Chester, United 651.
Cessna 5114 Zulu, do you need two stop and goes, or are you able to do full stop taxi back for all of them?
If I could get stop and goes, that'd be great. If not, I could do full stop taxi back as well.
140 Zulu, I'm going to try and accommodate these stop and goes, but depending on traffic, we'll see what happens.
Understood.
163, descend and maintain the flight level 180.
180, United 163.
What's
third Delta 4116 heavy top of descent.
554, touchdown by Alpha.
Wonder
Alpha, JetBlue 554, thanks.
wonder why he hasn't said anything yet.
Delta
Yeah, it does like we're clearly in it.
Delta 4116.
Yeah, we'll say, let me make radar contact with him real quick. Hold on. Stand by. Hey boss, this is JetBlue 1979, and we're currently landing
Grand
at
37,
White
turn
Plains.
left on runway 29er, turn left at Charlie to Atlantic West, remain this frequency.
JetBlue 979, you're going to check in, but that's New York preferred airspace, so you just remain with the seat.
Roger, copy next. Yeah, we're good, man. Yep.
Those 968 runway 33 attacks, see you later.
Thank you, Mike.
289 heavy, join runway 33 right, contact ground point 9.
Going 32 right, contact ground, United 39.
Southwest 2418, leveled at 10.
Yeah, I question VATSIM. VATSIM actually has areas that's actually not accurate all the time. I've noticed that a lot, man.
Flight level 30.
Yeah, I'm actually seeing that I'm in it as well.
Cessna
Yeah, I see it
5114
too.
Zulu, runway 34,
I actually do
line
see
up
that
and
one.
wait.
4116, descend via the J-Fund to arrival, runway 4 right, Boston altimeter 3006.
Descend via the Jake Fund 2, runway 4 right, Delta 4116.
November 1 Charlie Tango, turn left on runway 11, left at Lima, then Kilo Mike Millionaire, remain this frequency.
We're going to
Number 1 Charlie Tango, left on 29er, left at Charlie 2, Atlantic West, remain this frequency.
Okay, stay on to 9, stay with you, and left on Charlie 1 Charlie Tango, good night.
Cessna 5114 Zulu, make left close traffic to runway 34. Runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 34, left close traffic, 140.
Traffic United 163.
163, cross crank at maintain 7000.
Maintain 7,000, United 163.
Okay, that's not the clearance. United 163, cross crank at and maintain 7000.
Kosh, Crunk, and maintain 7,000.
Wow.
163.
Thank you. The New York altimeter 3002.
3002, United 163.
Center left, 968, short.
Southwest 968, runway 33, clear for takeoff. Delta 4116. I just saw your flight plan doesn't have the J fund. Are you joining the J fund to arrival?
Affirmative. I figured that's what you wanted me to do.
You need it. You're cleared direct J fund.
I've got it, and I don't know why it was not in there. Thank you.
Tower, Chronos 247 is on the visual 3-4.
Chronos 247, Westchester Tower, runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land 3-4, Chronos 247, we're going to millionaire.
Okay. Cessna 14, disregard. Cessna 5114 Zulu number 2, follow Pilatus, 3 mile final, runway 34, clear for the option.
Your radar contact, climb
Number 2, clear for the option, runway 34, 5114 Zulu.
I maintain flight level 360.
Number 217 Delta Charlie, Westchester Tower, you on frequency?
We have just joined you, 7 Delta Charlie.
Number 217 Delta Charlie, turn left 20 degrees for the right base to runway 34.
And left 20, 7 Delta Charlie.
7 Delta Charlie, start slowing.
Roger that, 7 Delta Charlie.
Cessna 14 Zulu, just keep it tight, you're turning inside traffic over the shore.
We'll keep it tight, 14 Zulu.
Number 217 Delta Charlie, number 3, following a Cessna in the midfield left downwind. They're going to be doing a stop and go, runway 34, clear to land.
Over to Uniform Flight 11
7 Delta Charlie, final approach speed.
7 Delta Charlie, we'll go.
Request 968.
And 7 Delta Charlie, we're not seeing that other, the second traffic.
Number 7 Delta Charlie, the traffic you're following is on a mile left base now.
Okay, 7 Delta Charlie, thanks for that.
Left, heading 240.
Minus 247, turn left at Foxtrot, contact ground.
Left at Foxtrot, over to ground, Chronos 247.
Westchester Tower, Augusta 181 Juliet, information Lima.
Augusta 181 Juliet, Westchester Tower.
10 miles southwest, like to transition overhead northeast 1500.
Augusta 181 Juliet, cross overhead midfield at 1,500, then on course approved.
Overhead 1.5, then on course 21 Juliet, thank you.
And 060 at 14, runway 9 clear.
Clear for takeoff, Alaska 1344.
And 651 clear, direct Rosie.
Correct, direct. Copy direct. Rosie, that is.
Alright, folks, let's bring her in here. Let's bring it to the final approach, runway 34. With the White Plains, New York, folks. Let's bring her in.
Beaver 112, you're leaving my airspace, Moncton Center offline. Radar service terminated. That's a change here.
Over to Unicom 122.8, have a good one. Thanks for the ATC. Speedbird 112.
Delta 4116. information, Alpha current, expect the ILS 4 at approach.
Boston Center, let's go 1344 at 2000.
Let's go 1344, radar contact, climb maintain 16,000, Bradley altimeter 3004.
Climb maintain 16,000, altimeter 3004.
Boston Center Vision Jet 510 Kilo Fox, radio check.
Jet 510 Kilo Foxtrot, Boston Center Region Altimeter.
5.5 for you as well, 510 Kilo Fox.
United 163, leaving my airspace. Newark approach is offline, radar service terminated. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved. Thank you for the ATC. 163.
100 above.
Walker 691, you set up for runway 11 or 29?
11, Walker 691.
Walker 691, roger. Cross Buckstill at or about 2,300, cleared ILS runway 11 approach.
Buckstow at or above 2,300, cleared the ILS 11 approach, Walker 691.
Light slow. 40, 30, 20.
Boston Center Vision Jet 510 Kilo Fox, we're looking to pick up our clearance over to Portland Jetport and requesting the altimeter in Nantucket.
510 Kilo Foxtrot, cleared to the Portland